Hi, my name is Kristen. I'm the Wellness Account Manager at Ulliance, and I'm here today with Chef Nicole to talk about the All American meal, meatloaf. Let us know how you made this today.
So meatloaf is, I don't know, it's not very sexy, right? It's
Right.
meatloaf. It's a dish that is easy to make on a budget, but it doesn't have to be your mother's or grandmother's meatloaf. One of the biggest things that I hear from people is that it's like tough, or that it's overcooked, or that it's dry.
Exactly, that's how my meatloaf ends up turning out. It's a little on the dry side.
So it depends on the meat that you use. I know a lot of people like to be healthier and use turkey. Turkey's great, except that it has almost no fat in it. You're gonna end up with a little bit drier product. So one of the things I would recommend is trying to buy turkey thigh.
Would it be weird if I did half like ground beef and half turkey?
No, not at all.
Is that something people do?
No, you can totally do that. What I would do though is I'd use a fattier meat. I would use like a 70-30 or an 80-20, just so you're getting a little bit of that fat. But for this, one of the ways to keep it from being dense is to not overwork it. So what I did today, you basically have your wet ingredients and your beef and your dry ingredients. So I used two separate bowls and I put all of the wet ingredients in one first and I mixed them all together. Because if you think about it, when you put everything into one bowl and you're trying to get all of those flavors into the meat, so you end up working the meat longer.
Right.
This way, if you've got all of the liquid ingredients mixed together and then you add it, you put your breadcrumbs and your Parmesan cheese into the bowl with the meat, just kind of break it up a little bit, then pour all your liquid in, mix it all together. As soon as it comes together and is incorporated, that's when you know you're good to go. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. I like to add lots of flavor. I've also heard that you can stuff it with different things, and I've seen that. That's actually really good too.
That sounds amazing.
Stuffing it would be a good way to hide vegetables on your kids if you wanted to do like spinach and mushrooms or things like that.
Oh yeah, my kids are pretty picky, so I'd have to kind of sneak that in, so that's a good option.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nicole. This looks awesome.
Yep.
For more information on Ulliance, our cooking demos, and other wellness programs, you can visit us at ulliance.com and be sure to follow us on social media. Thanks, and have a great day.
Take care, everybody.